Here's a lecture on the basics of neurons and perceptrons, incorporating images. Neurons, the building blocks of the brain. 1. What are neurons? Neurons are the fundamental cells of the nervous system, responsible for transmitting information throughout the brain and body. They have a unique structure that enables them to process and transmit signals effectively. 2. Structure of a biological neuron. Dendrites, branching extensions that receive signals from other neurons. Cell body, soma, contains the nucleus and other organelles, integrating signals from dendrites. Axon, a long, slender fiber that carries signals away from the cell body to other neurons or muscles. Synapse, the junction between neurons, where signals are transmitted using neurotransmitters. 3. How neurons communicate. Neurons communicate through electrical and chemical signals. Electrical signals travel along the axon, reaching the synapse. At the synapse, neurotransmitters are released, carrying the signal to the dendrites of the next neuron. Perceptrons, the basic units of artificial neural networks. 1. What are perceptrons? Perceptrons are the simplest units of artificial neural networks, inspired by biological neurons. They are mathematical models that process information and make decisions. 2. Structure of a perceptron. Inputs receive numerical values representing features of data. Weights assigned to each input, reflecting their importance. Summation. Inputs are multiplied by their weights and added together. Activation function determines whether the perceptron fires an output signal based on the summed value. Output, a binary value, 0 or 1, representing the perceptron's decision. 3. How perceptrons learn. Perceptrons learn through a process called training, where they adjust their weights to improve their decision-making accuracy. This training process is based on a learning algorithm called the perceptron rule. Key takeaways. Neurons are the biological building blocks of the brain, responsible for communication and information processing. Perceptrons are simplified mathematical models of neurons, used as the basic units of artificial neural networks. Both neurons and perceptrons involve inputs, processing, and outputs, but they operate on different scales and with different mechanisms. Understanding these basic concepts is essential for grasping the foundations of neural networks and artificial intelligence.